Hello, this is Untitled Chapter for Logical Outcomes, and welcome to your assignment walkthrough for Assignment 13, Define and Create an Event Capture Program. For this assignment, you're using the following scenario. So you work part-time at a Canadian nonprofit who wants to evaluate its financial literacy workshops program. It's a series of 3-day workshops for newcomers to help them manage their money in Canada. The funders who you're working with require the following things. So number of people served is aggregated by age and sex and so on. That's what they're looking for. So let's go right into the system and get started on creating this event capture program. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our programs and attributes app, click on program. So at this point, you've already made all the appropriate data elements required, the categories and category options, option sets. So everything, all the little pieces are there. Now we're just going to aggregate them and put them back into an event capture program. So here is our program management page. We're going to create a new one. Click Add New. And just referring back to the assignment here, because an event capture program only has one stage, we're going to be creating 5 different programs, each with one stage. And these programs are listed here: pre-financial capacity survey, workshop 1, 2, 3, and then the post survey. So I'm just going to show you the pre-financial capacity survey. The rest of these guys are created in the exact same way. So this program is called Pre-Financial Capacity Survey. All right, we're going to change the type to without registration because we're not tracking an entity as we would in a tracker program. And we're going to create new. Oh, short name, exact same thing as the name. There we are. So we have our pre-financial survey. We're going to left click on there and view program stages. Now in event capture program, the system automatically will create a stage for you because there is only one stage. So it's named exactly the same as the program itself. I'm going to left click it and edit. And this is where we edit our stage. And this is where we're going to include all the data elements in the program. So looking at the assignment, here is what we're looking to do. So we're including age, gender, I believe phone number is there, and financial satisfaction as well. Now, even though they are looking for attendance, because this is an event capture program, we are assuming that by filling out the data entry form, completing this program, they are in attendance. So we're not going to actually include that as a data element because, well, it's kind of an assumption here, and it's a pretty sure one. So we want to display all these in the reports. You can also choose which ones are compulsory. So say phone number, if that's important for you to contact them afterwards for the following program, for the following stage. We're going to update that. And after we've created our program stage, we're going to go back to the program itself on the program management page. I'm going to find it, and now we're going to assign it to our org units. In this case, for this scenario, we are assigning it to the province of Ontario in Canada, and we're going to save that. All right, for the assignment, you will be going through each of these and creating 4 more programs, each named here. They're listed. But for the case of this walkthrough, I'm not going to put you through that. Once you've created all of the programs, you're now going to assign them to your user roles. I'm going to go under users and click on user role. Find whichever user role you would like to give permission to. Let's say the data entry clerk. I'm going to click edit and find our program section and include that. as something they're able to access. Save. There you are. Easy peasy. Thanks for joining us. You can reach us at info@logicaloutcomes.net or click right there on the screen to access the online curriculum.